This next song has a very awesome story. Because, see, this song is not mine. At least the words aren't. They were written by somebody very, very special to me. Her name's Kayla. Kayla writes amazing poems. I think God definitely gifted her with the gift of poetry. And so she goes, "Hey, Alyssa, I wrote this poem, and I want you to read it and see if you can put music to it." She handed it to me, and I read it, and I went, "Oh my gosh, the words are so powerful." I'm just like, wow. I don't even feel worthy to write music for this. I don't think I should do it. But I was like, okay, I'm going to try. So I was just sitting there, and within 15 minutes, we had the song Beauty from Pain. And it is definitely the Lord who gave me the music and the Lord who spoke these words into Kayla's heart. And the song just has a special meaning for us because it just talks about how God is there when we need him. And it's called Beauty from Pain. I forgive and forget, but I cannot forget. My hurt is left to stain. I cannot wash away. Too many wounds to count, splitting and tearing, but never healing, never healing. But I must remember that there's nothing we cannot fight. So I'll soldier on and ride this tide. There must be beauty somewhere in this pain, amidst the drowning rain. Blinded, lost in this darkness, searching for a light. But I know time will free me from this stormy fight. On my knees I'm asking for